Welcome learners for the lecture 28 of mathematical method, that is a unit second. This is called as a finite Fourier transform. Okay, let us go started as an example of this value for depending to the form of the sine as well as cosine form of a transform. Okay, question 8 will be discussing because all of this question will be given to the previous lecture. This previous lecture depending to the form, that will be your important view of the question, means a exam wise question to get it at this form. Okay, question 8, show that the finite Fourier sine transform of a x by pi is a minus 1 to the power n plus 1 upon n. Okay, all of this discussing to the previous lecture for the unit second of the finite Fourier sine transform as well as cosine transform, but at that value finite Fourier sine transform only represented to the form. Okay, they will be show that. Then solution of this form, we know that given to the function that is a finite sine transform generated to the formula, that is the integration 0 to a f of x sine n pi x upon a dx will be generated. Okay, put up to the value f of x. What is the form of a f of x? That is a x by pi. Okay, equals to integration 0 to a x by pi into sine n pi x upon a dx. You know that a equals to generated as a pi, then put up all this value of a in the pi of the equation, that is a equals to generating to the form integration, this is a, this is also a, put up a equals to pi, then integration pi by 0 x by pi into sine n pi x upon a, pi is a cancel, dx will be generated, means a 1 by pi will be generated to the form, that will be generating to the value in a common form x into sine n x dx will be generated. Then 1 by pi, both of this value will be considering to the form, how to defining, that is a x into sine n x will be generated. They integrated to the form, how to integrate it to the form, 1 by pi is a common, x minus cos n x upon n minus integration 0 to pi 1 into minus cos nx upon n dx. This is a formula of a integration u into v dx. Okay, all of this discussing of this formula as well as the example depending on this form in the previous lecture. This lecture only stated that to the form expanding to the value. Okay, then so all of this value will be generated, that will be the form is generating to the equation, that will be the minus 1 upon pi 1 by a pi minus cos in a minus cos 0, because 0 to pi will be put it to the value of this integration, plus 1 upon n square integration 0 to pi cos nx dx will be generated, minus minus plus sign, all of this 0 to pi, then 0 to pi value will be put to the form minus 1 by pi 1 by x pi into cos nx means minus 1 to the power n minus cos 0 means considering to the value of this form in the equation, consider to the value both of this equation of to the form, plus 1 upon n square will be generated to the form integration, they will be cos will be generated as a sine nx upon n 0 to pi will be generated. Okay, then both of this value of the integration generating minus generated to the value of this equation, pi is getted as a minus pi upon n, pi will be generated minus 1 to the power n, plus this is a 1 minus n square, because 1 upon n square, n into n square. Okay, why? Because sine n pi minus sine 0 is considered as a value, consider as a 1. Then this will be the value generated to the form of the both of this equation. 1 by n is a common, pi by pi is a cancel, n square will be generated to the form, then minus 1 upon n minus 1 to the power n, means a minus 1 upon n, this is minus 1 to the power n generated, minus 1 upon minus 1 to the power n, means it is called as a form, that is a minus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay, because this is a n and this is a 1, they will be combining to the form into, when it will be considered as a into, they will be generated as a plus upon n. Okay, this will be the proof of solution. Next question, find the finite Fourier sine transform of f of x if f of x equals to, sometime will be given as a x, sometimes will be given as a pi minus x. When using as a x to the limit will be changes 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to x by 2, and this value x by 2 less than or equals to pi will be generated, means the integration generating 0 to pi. Okay, what is the solution? We know that function of the sine transform clearly said that it is a sine transform of the Fourier. Okay, this is a sine transform will be generated to the value of this equation, not getted as a cos, only sine. Function of a sine f of x equals to minus integration 0 to pi f of x sine n pi x upon a dx. Put will be value to the generated to the form. First value will be put it, that is a integration 0 to pi by 2 x. Consider first value will be generated as a x, 0 to x by 2 means pi by 2, means a pi by 2 upon 0 means 0 to pi by 2 x into x is a function sine n pi x upon a dx, plus next value is a pi by 2 to pi, integration pi by 2 to pi will be generated. This value pi minus x into sine n pi x upon a dx. What we say in this equation, first value considering x that has a limit 0 to x will be generated pi by 2. Same as another value pi by 2 to pi will be generated as a equation for both of these function. This is f of x, this is also f of x. When uses as a this form of the f of x, limit will be changes, this form of f of x limit also change. Okay, this value will be generated, that is a equals to pi by 2. Then solve to the equation integration 0 to pi by 2 x into sine n pi upon pi dx. A will be generated as plus integration pi by 2 to pi minus x into sine, same as the value pi cancel, then equation will be generated 0 to pi by 2 x into sine n x dx plus integration same as the value will be generated, then integrated by the part of this equation. X is a common, integrated this part, that is a cos generated minus sine generated minus cos in x upon n 0 to pi by 2 minus same as the integration will be generated, integration 0 to pi by 2 1 into this will be integrated, all part will be same as the integration of this form. Then solve to the integration. First form is a x into minus cos in x upon n 0 to pi by 2 minus this value integration 0 to pi by 2 minus cos in x upon n dx will be generated. Same another part, they will be constant, integrated sign of this part minus this part will be integrated, that is a minus 1 into this part will be generated to the form as it is. Solve to the equation, that is a first value will be generated, means a minus 1 upon n is a common. Okay, because common quantity x is as it is into cos nx will be generated 0 to pi by 2 plus minus minus is a plus, consider to the form, that is a 1 by n integration 0 to pi by 2 cos nx dx will be generated, plus same as a value minus 1 upon n is a common, pi minus x into cos nx pi by 2 to pi minus consider as a minus 2 minus 1 is a plus minus 1 upon n integration 0 to pi by 2 cos nx dx will be generated. Solve to the equation in both of this form, minus 1 upon n generated to the form, first value of the x is a pi by 2 into cos nx minus same as a value another will be cos 0 will be generated, this value is a 0 plus minus 1 upon integration 0 to pi by 2 cos nx dx will be generated. Then minus 1 upon n same as the value will be considering to the both of this function of this form, when integrated to the value will be generating pi minus pi cos nx upon 2 minus cos nx upon 2 will be generated in both of this function pi by 2, as well as this value will be generating to the form. Okay, then minus 1 upon n minus minus 0 plus 1 by n will be generated in the equation of this form, integration consider it to the form, that is a 0 to pi by 2 cos nx dx minus 1 upon n 0 both of this condition minus 1 upon n integration pi by 2 to pi cos nx dx, because this value of the pi minus pi is a 0. Okay, this value is a 0, they multiply to the this function 0. Okay, this value will be cancelling to the form, minus 1 upon n will be generated both of this function, that is a plus 1. This plus 1 is considered as a form in both of this equation, cos nx dx will be generated. Then after that 1 by n integration 0 to pi by 2 cos nx dx consider minus 1 by n integration pi by 2 to pi cos nx dx will be generated. Both of this integration of this form is generating 1 by n. They consider as a cos will be generated as a sin nx upon n 0 to pi by 2 minus same as a value 1 by n cos consider sin nx upon n pi by 2 to pi. Then expanding to the form 1 by n into n 1 by n square sin n consider first is a pi by 2 minus sin 0 minus 1 by n square same as a value sin nx minus sin nx by 2 will be considered. You know that 1 by n square sin x pi sin n pi upon 2 this is a 0 value minus this is also 0 value sin nx upon 2. Then value will be considered 1 upon n square sin x pi upon 2 minus minus consider as a plus sin nx upon 2 will be generated. Hence it is the equation for solving to the condition that is a both of this equation to generated to the value that is a sin consider x pi by 2 or the n pi by 2 in the value will be generated. This is a common when consider as a 1 then cross multiply that will be generated n square plus 1 they will be generated n square means a 1 plus 1 will be generated not a cross multiply it will be given as a only 1 that is a 1 upon n square plus 1 by 1 means the same as a value that is a only 1 means a 2 by n square sin nx by 2 it is a solution. Okay, next numericals means a problem will be given question find the finite Fourier cosine transform of f. In this value cosine transform same as the previous example will be given to the form. Okay, value will be put at integration 0 to pi f of x cos n pi x upon a dx will be generated. Then value will be generating that is the integration first value will be generated 0 to pi by x into first value consider 1 then x into cos n pi x upon a dx plus another value pi by 2 to pi minus 1 to the minus 1 consider cos n pi x upon a dx. They generated as a x to the form x equals to a put up to the value both of these cancelling to the form integration 0 to pi by 2 cos nx dx minus integration pi by 2 to pi cos nx dx will be generated. Then they will be considered as a form that is a cos nx means sin nx upon n pi by 0 to pi by 2 minus sin nx upon n pi by 2 pi will be generated. Then after that 1 by n is a common put up to the value of a sin n pi by 2 minus sin 0 minus 1 this is same as a value sin n pi minus sin n pi by 2 both of these functions they generated to the form 1 by n sin n pi by 2 minus 0 this is a 0 minus 1 by n 0 minus sin nx by then 1 by n sin n pi by 2 plus consider as a minus minus plus 1 by a sin n x upon 2 will be generated. Then 1 by n is a common both of these function sin x by 2 is also common in x upon 2 both of this function 2 will be generated. Then pi equals to 0 put up if n is greater than 0 then function of a cosine f of x will be generated. In this condition pi equals to 0 if n is greater than 0 then function of a cosine is a f of x. This is formula will